Hello! Right, today we're going to Mill Meece pumping station because of the Yesteryear Rally on. It has old cars and bikes. Now, I've been numerous times, but I've never been on the Guerrilla, so yeah, it's a bit new, isn't it? It's all old cars and bikes and pumping engines, so I'll see if I can get in. I just won't stop. I'll just carry on. But yeah, it's a nice morning, but it's a bit on the chilly side. Certainly feel it. Should be one or two there today. It's a good job it wasn't yesterday. It's a terrible torrential rain yesterday. I thought it was going to be a washout today, but yeah, turned out very pleasant. Right, we are here. So yeah, I'm just going to ride in. Never had an issue before. Never been stopped or asked. So there's the pump house there. Mill Meece pumping station. Yeah, well, we're in. Yeah, we're a bit early yet, so be one or two more here a bit later on. But yeah, some nice bikes here already. Yeah, decent turnout, and a lot more always turn up later. I've got the Vikings here somewhere over the back, reenacting. Got the little pump engines over there, some classic cars. Well, I'm not the only new bike here. There's quite a few actually. I'm not the only one. Yeah, some nice old girls here, isn't there? $250 LC. Kawasaki 900. They always seem so big at the time, and yet they don't now. Same with a lot of bikes actually. They always appeared big at the time, but you see one now and yeah. some little pump engines. Always here, these are. Always here. Also got an array of classic cars. Little aluminium. Yeah, lots down here, look. Couple of military vehicles. Bond, three-wheeler over there. Yeah, we've got the Vikings fighting. Yeah, I think we're done now. Had a couple of hours here. Last show of the year. Yeah. Good turnout. Enjoyed that. Yep, all done. Weather stayed fine, so it's all good. Ta-da! Yeah, most enjoyable that. It's a sneaky, in fact we'll go the long way home because it's turned into a nice day. Well, it isn't that much further actually. But might as well make the most of the sunshine again, hadn't we? It's actually warmed up a little bit from when we were on our way here. Still cold though. It's still cold. But it's warm enough when you stood standing in the sun. That's all we need, innit? Yes, hopefully I'll be able to get out next week. Like I say, the weather forecast is pretty good. Even if it's even if it's not going to be very warm, we can wrap up a bit, can't we? So yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video to Mill Meece Pumping Station Yesteryear Rally. Until next time, thanks for watching.